Hi folks, this is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here today at the Maryland Home and Garden and Craft Show. It's a great day to come out here. In fact, the show is going to be open Saturday, March the 4th from 10 until 8. And then again on Sunday, that's tomorrow, Sunday, it's open 10 to 6. Next Friday, March the 10th, 10 to 6. March the 11th, which is Saturday, 10 to 8. And then March the 12th, which is Sunday, 10 to 6. Come on out to the Maryland Home Show. It's a great show. I'm standing in one of the displays right now. Lots of things to see. And if you get out here, stop by our Remodeling Wizards of Maryland booth. Thanks, folks. Take care.